Here's what you need to know about what is IPSec. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. IPSec, Internet Protocol Security, is a suite of protocols that secures IP communications by authenticating and encrypting each IP packet. It is widely used in VPNs to protect data traveling over the Internet. IPSec operates at the network layer, meaning it can protect all traffic transparently without changes to applications. Key concept: AH and ESP Protocols. IPSec has two main protocols. AH, authentication header, provides integrity and authentication but no encryption. ESP, encapsulating security payload, provides both encryption and authentication. ESP is used in most VPN deployments because it also hides payload content. Key concept: IKE Key Exchange. IKE, Internet Key Exchange, is used to negotiate encryption keys and security parameters before IPSec tunnels are established. IKE Phase 1 establishes a secure management channel. IKE Phase 2 negotiates the actual IPSec tunnel parameters. Key concept: tunnel versus transport mode. In tunnel mode, the entire original IP packet is encrypted and encapsulated, used for site-to-site VPNs. In transport mode, only the payload is encrypted while the original IP header remains visible, used for host-to-host communication. Key concept: security associations, SA. A security association is a one-way agreement between two peers defining the encryption algorithm, key, and lifetime. Two SAs are needed for bidirectional communication. SAs are tracked in the Security Association Database, SAD. Let's look at the full breakdown. Tunnel mode encrypts entire original packet, adds new IP header, used in site-to-site VPNs, hides internal IP addresses. Transport mode encrypts payload only, original IP header preserved, used for host-to-host IPSec, internal IPs visible in header. Here's a real-world example. Two branch offices connect via an IPSec site-to-site VPN in tunnel mode. When a user at branch A accesses a file server at branch B, the branch A router encrypts the entire packet using ESP, wraps it in a new IP packet addressed to branch B's router, and sends it over the Internet. Branch B's router decrypts it and delivers it to the file server. The Internet only sees encrypted traffic between the two routers. Quick recap before you go. 1. IPSec secures IP packets through authentication and encryption at the network layer. 2. AH provides integrity only. ESP provides encryption and integrity. Use ESP for VPNs. 3. IKE negotiates keys. Phase 1, management channel. Phase 2, IPSec tunnel. 4. Tunnel mode encrypts entire packet, site-to-site VPNs. 5. Transport mode encrypts payload only, host-to-host. That's what is IPSec covered. Exam tip: AH =sign authentication only, no encryption. ESP =sign authentication and encryption. Always use ESP for VPNs. Tunnel mode wraps the entire packet in a new IP header. The internal IP addresses are hidden. Transport mode leaves the original IP header exposed. Next up, what is SSL versus TLS? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.